no, it's gonna eat me. So we're here and we're gonna see a big T-Rex right over here. Look us, check out this T-Rex.
DinoRigo Playtime.
Come on, let's go check him out. So this T-Rex is 60 feet tall.
A real T-Rex was 12 to 20 feet tall and weighed 9,000 to 18,000 pounds.
As you can see, these toes are very big claws, small little arms. As you can see, they have very sharp teeth. And right now, we're gonna go inside the T-Rex mouth. Yeah, that's right, we're gonna go inside the T-Rex mouth. So follow me, let's go. Let's follow the footprints to the dinosaur. What type of footprints are these? Are these from the T-Rex? Look, they're leading this way. Look, what dinosaur is that? Look, is that a T-Rex? But look over here. What's this one over here? And what's this one? And what is this one? And what is this one? And what is this one? Look at this one. Look at the big sharp teeth. Look at this. Look, so sharp. Look. Oh no, it's gonna eat me. Okay. Here, let me rescue you. Get out of his mouth. Oh, get out of his mouth. Oh no, get out. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Good job. Let's go this way. Hey, what's this over here? What's that? What is that? It's a Triceratops head. Come on. Look. It has 3 horns. Look what's over there. That Brachiosaurus.
Hey, no, look at this dinosaur.
Come on, this way.
Wow, T-Rex, so cute. I love T-Rex.
Hey, that's not a T-Rex. What is that? Oh yeah, it's a baby T-Rex.
But that is a grown-up T-Rex.
Yeah, it is a grown-up T-Rex. And a Velociraptor.
2.
Look at this one. The Brachiosaurus with the big tail. Looks so big. Look, we finally found a real pterodactyl. Look at big wings.
We found a Spinosaurus.
That's the Stegosaurus. It's the Stegosaurus.
Come on.
Cool. Come on, we're gonna go inside the T-Rex mouth over here. Look, there's more dinosaurs over here. Look.
I know Velociraptor.
It's a Velociraptor.
And Dinosuchus.
Wow, you know all the dinosaurs, huh?
And reptiles. Why this? What's this?
What's that called?
Velociraptor.
Good job.
And good Velociraptor.
Look over here. Look at this one over here.
Dilophosaurus. And the Brachiosaurus. And Triceratops. Triceratops.
What's this one called?
Dilophosaurus. No, that's Spanish.
What's this one called?
Brachiosaurus.
Good job.
Come on, let's get inside here.
Look what's there. Look, the T-Rex over there.
T-Rex. Let's get inside.
Come on, let's go check it
Right,
out.
do you see me?
So right now we're gonna go inside the T-Rex through the back side, the side right here.
Come on, don't be so scared.
Come on, I'm not scared. Come on. We're going inside. Come on, we're gonna go. Here, just grab onto the side. We're exploring here inside the T-Rex. So right now we're in the stomach.
Where's the gut?
I don't know. We're gonna go this way. We're inside the stomach. He has a really big stomach. Come on. This way.
We gotta be careful because we don't want to hit the T-Rex.
Look, we're inside the mouth of a T-Rex. We're inside the mouth of a T-Rex. Isn't that cool? Roar! Okay, roar. Roar like a T-Rex.
What's this?
That's a sign that tells you that you can roar from here. Roar.
Let the world hear you roar.
Oh, look at this big T-Rex head.
He's eating sand.
Yeah, look how big and sharp these teeth are. See how they're white? Because they brush their teeth so they don't get cavities. They have to eat a lot of meat, so for them to keep living and surviving, because they burn a lot of calories when they're moving around.
A myth perpetuated by the popular Jurassic Park film is that the T-Rex could run at high speeds, for example, keep up with a car. However, average estimates suggest a maximum speed of around 25 miles per hour.
Come on, we're gonna go sit on these eggs right here. Sit on the eggs. These are eggs from a dinosaur. I think they're from this T-Rex.
Oh no.
Yes,
She does not
look,
look happy.
very sharp teeth.
She doesn't look happy that we're sitting in her egg.
It's okay.
Let's take this egg. Come on, help.
Whoa, look at this big egg. Check out this huge egg.
It's gonna crack.
What dinosaur do you think it's inside?
I think it's that one because it has hearts on it.
Yeah, I think you're right. It is from the T-Rex. These are big eggs.
I'm gonna take it.
Look at this Brachiosaurus. He's like sleeping. He's just laying here.
He is sleeping.
He's sleeping. It's nap time.
This is too heavy.
Hey, you're not supposed to.
Say I love you and wake up.
Yeah, it's very nice. Look at all these hearts right here. Do you think these are tattoos or what?
I think they're a part of the skin.
Maybe, yeah.
Do you see dinosaur bones?
Look, it looks like a tooth from a T-Rex. Well,
Watch out, watch out.
That T-Rex. Take it while she's disappearing.
We survived.
guess what? We found a pterodactyl over here. Look at that big pterodactyl. It's Abby the pterodactyl.